Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Today is the last Sunday of December and the last day of 2023. It's been the traditions of so many Filipinos to send a beautiful message, sending greetings to everyone. Happy New Year to all my friends residing at Panabo City, my friends from Humlan, Farm to New Malitbog, Nanyo, friends from Dalisay Village, Panabo City, my friends living in Lower Mabuhay, Carmen, Davao del Norte, and of course to my friends in Sitio San Pablo Fatima, Paquibato District, Davao City, Malabog, and Consolacion's Panabo. Of course, taga Davao City, daghan kong mga friends, I cannot mention you one by one. Happy New Year to everyone, and may the good Lord will continue to bless you more in 2024. Blessings in the form of financial, material, blessings in the form of career, business. So, God bless all of us. God bless you all. Happy New Year. This is Alexi from Davao City, and continue to like and to share my video clips, and continue to subscribe my YouTube channel and to follow my Facebook Reels. God bless everyone.